Hello and welcome to How to Log In. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can save a draft on AOL Mail. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to AOL Mail. After you do so, log into your AOL Mail account and you will see this type of interface. If you don't have an AOL Mail account, don't you worry, because you can sign up through AOL Mail now and receive weather reports, news reports, and also mess with the mail at the same time. So let's go ahead and start. Open this option over here where you can see the new mail. So after you go to your new mail, you can start writing a mail or reply to a mail, and in case you forgot to send it or anything, you can see this forward option over here. You can just click on it and you can see that now you're writing a mail. Let's suppose you want to attach some files. Let's go ahead and attach some files over here. After we do so, we started writing something. Now as we started writing something, it didn't occur. So you can see the save option over here. If you click save, it'll be saved. Now if you go back, or in case the mail has been closed. So in case it has been closed, now if you go ahead and open AOL Mail once again, you will find it on drafts. It's automatic, so you can see that this is the previous mail which we were writing, and these are the attached files. Now you can just go ahead and start rewriting your drafts again. You can also find your previous drafts over here on these, and if you decide to write some new emails, you can do that as well, and you can write something over here and you can click save. Or if you don't click save, you can see that if it is not been saved, it will not be added to the drafts. So if you click on cancel, you can see that if you click leave, you will not be able to view that mail because you didn't save it. So you can go back here and you can see this is now ready to edit. Now you can go ahead and write anything, click save, and it'll be saved. And no matter if your AOL Mail browser is closed, it will still be there on your draft. So guys, this is how you can keep AOL Mail on drafts. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.